Hi guys, welcome back. Hope you are doing great. And today we are going to explore the concept of iframes, a powerful tool to embed almost anything into your application. And the most important part of the software development. Whether you are new to this or looking to learn more, just stick around to catch all the insights. So let's talk about what is iframe. An iframe or a line frame is just an HTML element used to embed another web page into your application, which is commonly used to embed the content like videos, advertisement, and social media feeds on the web page. Let me show you how it works. I'm explaining this by taking an example of Wikipedia using a stack village. So I'm here on the stack village page and currently the embedded link is not working somehow. So let's copy the home page of Wikipedia. I'm just copying this URL and just paste it in iframe content, in iframe element. So we can see our Wikipedia page has been embedded through iframe, and we can set the styling part of the iframe content, like we can set the borders of iframe content. So anything you want to add, like 100% or 90%, 80% as per your requirement, you can do that. And similarly, this thing we can integrate with your applications, and suppose where you have the main applications and where you required to integrate that independent part of the application through iframes. So you can do that just like we are doing here. Now I'm sure you are absolutely thinking about why we required iframes in our application. So before we dive deeper, let's consider a situation where iframes can be a lifesaver. Imagine you are working on a big and complex application where slightly change in tech stack can risk breaking your existing code. And let's say you are required to integrate third-party library which is incompatible with your current setup and required a different version to function. That's where the iframe comes to the rescue. The iframes allow you to build that specific part of the application independently and embed it seamlessly into your main application. Whether it's embedding YouTube videos, images, or HTML content, the iframe provides a reliable solution for the integrations that's called micro frontend. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video really helpful and value addition, then like it and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel to get a quick updates for all such kind of content. See you in the next video. Bye bye.